Hello, thank you for having me. I'm b.Kori, the founder of Kaliber Events. I've been in the events industry for about 10 years. I've touched nearly 1,000 events in that time. But one of the most pivotal pieces of advice that I got at the start of my career was to focus on the guest experience. That there are too many moving parts in events to make a perfect event, so just focus on making your guests happy. As I grew in my career and started going into venue operations, I noticed that every host was doing that and prioritizing the guest experience. And so what they were doing is, I'm watching them get dressed in the bathroom 15 minutes before their event, or scraping the bottom of catering dishes and getting the scraps at the end of their event. And I realized that there's a gap in who's being served in this industry. So I started working on Kaliber Events to support event hosts. There we go. To support event hosts. Kaliber is an event planning and communication tool that uses generative AI to build custom run of shows and suggest brand-aligned vendors and venues. What event hosts are doing right now is weaving this tangled web of 9 to 15 email threads that often pull the right and wrong people in at interesting times. In order to solve for this tangled web, they are either offboarding to other event planners who have the same issue, or often will use the same vendors over and over again, resulting in very dull events. There are event planning tools as well that event hosts use, but these tools prioritize big name companies, big hotels, and you lose that connection to your local community using them. The heart of Kaliber, what makes this so unique, is its dynamic run of show. So we have expertly curated prompt templates to get hosts to the quickest and best outlined run of show as quickly as possible, so that they can find the places where they can really focus on relationship building and plugging in the right vendors and venues. Our AI chatbot suggests the best vendors and venues based off your history in the platform. And what we're looking to go and grow is staff, partner, and task management within that run of show, where you can invite your team to work alongside you in the event. We have 3 markets that we're targeting with Kaliber. In the first market are corporate, nonprofit, and academic institutions. So these are folks that are paying full-time staff to put on events. What we have right now is a monthly subscription that's focused on attracting single users. But again, with that built-out permissions piece of the platform, we'll be able to pull in larger audience and a larger clientele. So we're looking to add a pay-by-event model and a company model with user permissions. The second market are venues. So not only do we want people to get the best suggestion for venues, we want the venues to actually embed Kaliber into their space, so that event hosts can log into their Kaliber dashboard and plan their event as they're touring the space. And we have sourced some VR teams, AR teams who can produce this, but that is the second phase of Kaliber. And then the last market are vendors, and we're really looking to sell ad space within the platform to our vendors and really highlight the local small businesses that can help produce your event, be it caterers, DJs, special attractions. So with all of these different subscription models and ad space, we are projected to make a little over $175,000 in our first year. I'm a solopreneur and I'm big on using contractual services. I think that's the best use of dollars, and you get the best experts in the field that are targeted on that specific need, and right now that's development. So what we need for that, what we need to get to where we want to go is anywhere from $71,500 to supposed to be $100,000 for the extension of our platform, for new team equipment, for our launch efforts, and we have very targeted direct mail and in-person marketing campaign that we are looking to launch. And then the most expensive piece is that AR integration into actual venues and building out those beta models for big use. So this is just an inside look at the tool, just so you can see what it looks like, but it's all of the features that I talked about. So a customizable run of show, downloadable PDF, an AI chatbot, and then the vendor and venue storage, where you can keep all of your contacts in one place, whether it's who you already have been using or if it came from Kaliber. You can keep that storage in there and really make it a relationship management tool as well. And then low cost of entry for our MVP model, but definitely looking to add multiple payment tiers. So I want to thank you for your time. I think Kaliber Events can truly revolutionize the events industry, which is a $1.5 trillion industry. There is so much room to take over and innovate in this field, and I think Kaliber is equipped to do it.